Couple of pumps. Whoa. Nothing like a straight six, honestly. A lot of Mopar lovers out there. This is an E37. The E38 had the big tank for Bathurst. This was the same spec though, triple Weber carburetors. It's very, very nice. It's believed to have been rebodied some time ago. That's what the seller told us. But it's, to all intents and purposes, it's an E37. It's got the right wheels, the right engine, 265 Hemi. Good car, good looking car too. Now look at that, eh? Triple Webers, they came out of the factory like that. So that was back in the day when car companies were very adventurous. Basically homologated these carburetors so they could race the cars. It's a straight six, they sound fantastic. You know, there's a big following for Chrysler products now. So look at the interior, it's mint. It's even got the 11 transistor Chrysler Australia radio, Charger RT E37. So pretty rare car these days.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.